What's up guys, my name is DMac and today I'll be showing you how I master my tracks. So this is an old file that I never released and I'm not sure if I will, but I'll show you a little bit of the track and then we'll go through the master chain. So I think you guys probably get the idea of the track. I really like the melody, but I just don't know if I like the whole track yet. But over to the master channel, first thing I do is I put an EQ8 on there. I cut the lows below 30 Hertz, cut the highs usually around 18 kilohertz. Then if you're using Ableton, always oversamples your plugins. The stock plugins usually have that feature. Just makes it better quality. Next, I use OTT. I put the amount to 20%. Now I know every track is different, but usually on the master channel, it'll stay pretty close, pretty much the same on each track. It's just a few little different tweaks and you'll get your loud result. So, and then I'll play the track at the drop and and then we'll move the bands to where they need to be. That sounds pretty good there. Next, what do I do next? Oh yeah, some compression. So go to glue compressor, put soft clip, oversample, the range, 6, I think I use, yeah, around 6, doesn't have to be dead on. And then I put the ratio at 2, release at automatic, and attack at +3. And then pretty much when you see the needle move, that's when I stop the threshold. Seems pretty good there. And then the makeup, I usually put, probably put it at around 1. These are the little tweaks I'm talking about. Some tracks you can put the makeup up pretty high, but don't want any distortion. So next, what do we have next? Some imaging. So I use Ozone Imager. All I do, play it at the drop again, then I hit learn, and then we'll move the bands after. So usually I'll put the low bass at all the way mono. Then the second band, some tracks I put it up a little bit. This one, I'll put it down. Then the mids, the mid highs, I usually put it around 11. And then for the highs, I usually put it up past 20, but like you say, with the tracks you kind of have to judge. So if you want a little more sparkle, you can put it up a little higher. So that's it for imaging. Let me see here. What else do we have? So, sorry, my phone just went off and distracted me. But next we will go to, where am I? Distractions always get me. Alright, delimiter. So this is the last thing I usually put on my master chain. I always put it around 250. Sometimes I can get it up to 3 without any distortion. So let's just see what that does here. I think it's pretty happy at 250. So that's pretty much it. I mean, usually before I release a track or something, I'll go through the EQ and I'll try to phase out some annoying frequencies. So I'll give you an example here of what I normally do. Oh, what did I do? Alright, so here's what I mean. Right there is a resonating frequency, so I usually lower it a little bit to right here. In the final product, it will give you a cleaner mix if you do this through all the annoying frequencies. You know, you boost where you can and you take away where you don't need, and that usually gives you the cleanest mix, or master, I'm sorry. So that's pretty much it for mastering. This is how it sounds now. So that was my quick little video on mastering. If you liked it, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.